Dip this crispy egg noodle wrapped shrimp in a sugar syrup and sweet pepper sauce. Your hair crunch and surprise. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. You can find the list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Detangle a portion of fresh noodles. Put them in boiling water. As soon as the noodles comes up to the surface, remove them. Rinse them under cold water. Let them drain when preparing the shrimp. Peel the shrimp by keeping the end of tail. To avoid the shrimp bending during the frying, make Swiss mud cuts on the shrimp underside. Wrap the shrimp with 1 layer of noodle. Attach the end of each noodle. All the shrimp are wrapped. Heat the oil to 180 degrees Celsius. Put a small quantity of shrimp. Fry them for 3 minutes. The noodles are golden brown. Serve them hot and crispy with a dipping sauce. Bon appétit! Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at next homemade dish.